What do you do when this gets dropped in front of you at STK in the meatpacking district? You make sure you have some friends and you say, "Thank you, may I please have another?" Then let the apps flow. Bread and dipping sauce, blue iceberg salad, tuna tartare, crispy calamari, Wagyu beef little burgers. You know I was all about these. Now let's refuel for the entrees. Whoa, this is a custom-made steak board with filet strip, lobster mac, Parmesan truffle fries, mashed potatoes, all the sauces, and 3 kinds of butter melted tableside. Fletcher, prep those steaks, please. We also got some mushroom and truffle pasta, and clearly tongs are the new fork. I think we need another steak. Do your dance quick, Fletcher. Come on, baby, tell me what's the word. The word is desserts. Oh yeah, look at that cookie. Now it's time for the money shot, Sambuca and espresso. If you want to live big, live like Steak Club 7. No big, extra big. Yeah, cheers, buddy. Follow me for the best restaurant recommendations. See, everyone points at food now.